Uh, Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jenny Angie Salva Aguila. I'm 31 years old from Camarines Sur, Iriga City. Married. I bless my two sons, 11 years old and 7 years old, married. My experience to work here, I finished to work in the Philippines for 2 years, year of 2016 and 2019. And then I have experience for work in Singapore, but I cannot finish my contract because my madam is hurt me. And that's why my agency is rescue to me to come back to my country. Um, my background family is my father is a fisherman, my mother is a housewife. My hobbies is watching Chinese cooking for YouTube, and then reading. Sometimes I'm singing and dancing. um, my reason for abroad is that's why I cannot finish my contract in Singapore because my madam is hurt me and hit my back using for massage is a very hard things. That's why I decide to report my agency to come back here in the Philippines. Um, I think for the infant or for baby, the song is row, row, row your boat gentle down the stream. Merrily, 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 how does mother dream?
So you have experience in Singapore. Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. I cook for Chinese food like ABC soup. Uh, and sometimes I cook for the Italian soup. Italian pasta. Italian pasta like that. Dumplings for Chinese dumplings, baozi, like stir fry for Chinese food like that. More than a stir fry vegetables.
So can you understand some Mandarin?
Yes, I understand a little bit like ni hao, hello, yes, yeah, thank you, mayola, no more, hayoma, still have, what's that, chipana, eating, waan, good night, and then ni hao ma, hello, how are you?
How about good night?
Good night, waan.
Okay. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I hope accepted me, my employer, to serve the family because give my loyal and trust and the baby patient to work and I do my duties. Thank you so much.